So if you're looking for a beef organ supplement, but don't want to deal with cooking or eating organs, this is a simple capsule option. So the company actually sent this over to me to check out and share my honest thoughts. This is the VitaBowl Beef Organ Complex. It combines grass-fed liver, testicle, prostate, and bone marrow into one freeze-dried capsule blend. The routine is easy, just 2 capsules a day, and the bottle is meant to last about 30 days. I'd recommend this for anyone who wants a whole food style supplement and just likes the idea of organ-based nutrition in a simple, non-prep form. It's not just for athletes or just for men, it's more about people who prefer traditional food-based supplements instead of synthetic ingredients. I'd recommend skipping this product if you're not comfortable with organ blends or you prefer single ingredient supplements. So with any supplement, no supplement works the same for everyone. If anyone promises guaranteed results, that's a red flag. Everyone's body is different, so the only real way to know if something works for you is to try it for yourself. Hopefully this video helped you make a more informed decision about this beef organ supplement. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.